Hi guys, so today's is unboxing videos. Okay, so kita nak buka dulu. Wait, what? Wow, that's a makeup. There was a lipstick, lip tint, blusher, many things at here. Okay, at here we have a chocolate lipstick. I don't. It smell is like a chocolate. Okay, jap Hana buka. Korang boleh tengok dekat dalam dia memang sangat interesting lah guys. So korang boleh beli juga. Okay, warna pink gitu. Macam ni. Okay, inilah contoh warna daripada lipstick tu tadi. Cantik kan? Okay. Ni pula kalau apa ni? Jom kita tengok. Wow, dah nampak tu. Warna merah. Bergaya lah. Okay. Wow, that's so interesting. Ni colour dia. Cantik guys kalau combine. Okay, ni ada macam-macam lagi kat sini. Ni antaranya contoh lipstick DYXY, entahlah Hana pun tak tahu. Okay, tengok colour dia. Many interesting lah guys. Wow. Okay, there was a 3 lip tint in here. You can use to combine with lip balm and use the lip tint. It must be perfect for your lips. Tu ada nombor series dia. Korang boleh tengok dan bila nak beli korang tengoklah nombor series tu. Okay. There was a red lipstick at here. Wow, so beautiful this color. You can use it. Okay, there's a lipstick at here. The color is like a pink. Then we have eyeshadow. You can use it, so amazing this color to your shadow, and you can use to blusher your face. So interesting. There are many at here. You can see sun kiss. It is magical, so bling in your face. Wow, that's so interesting. Wow. Okay, then we have what's that? Sun kiss. You can buy it. It's so perfect for you. Okay, then we have eyeshadow again, and it was color like shy je. Okay, ada cermin juga dekat sini. Korang boleh tengok lah bila korang buat eyeshadow kan. Okay, sangat interesting. Okay, then we have blush beauty. Okay, Blush Beauty. Wow, color dia sangat amazing. The last one is eyeshadow. I like this because it's a perfect for me. I just have to use it. I just like the colors of the eyeshadow. It was so beautiful. Happy ending, guys. Hopefully you enjoy my videos. Okay, that's a tree color of lipstick. Okay, close the box now. Close your skin. Okay, thank you from now.